Very nice home in Hidden Cove area just minutes away from Pioneer Cove Marina on Kaw Lake. Directions: from Highway 74 and Junction 11 north of Kaw City, go 9.3 miles east on Street Highway 11, turn right onto Northfork Road, second Hidden Cove Addition sign, head south to curve and take a left into the property. This is a very nice 2003 Shult Modular home, setting on 2 large lots, 1.14 acres, with beautiful magnolia trees, new roof, and 22 kW Generac Generator. The property also has the perfect workshop, 30x50, concrete floored heated shop with 10 side walls, restroom, 2 metal garage doors with openers, and office space with heating and air conditioner. There is also a RV carport with electrical, water, and sewer hookups and a smaller metal carport for side-by-side, lawn mower, garden equipment parking. The home is approximately 2,040 square feet, with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths.